you know about Korean food? Yummy? Sammy?
Hi guys, how are you? These days, many people around the world look a bit down because of the COVID-19 issues. 요즘 코로나 바이러스 이슈 때문에 전 세계 사람들이 좀 활기를 잃어 보이죠. So today, as a nutritionist, I prepared how to make japchae to cheer you guys up. 그래서 오늘은 여러분들을 응원하기 위해 제가 영양사로서 잡채 만드는 법을 준비했습니다. Japchae is not only tasty but also nutritious because it has lots of vegetables, meat, and chewy glasanoodles. 잡채는 맛있기만 한 게 아니라 영양가도 높아요. 왜냐면 많은 야채도 들어가고 고기, 당면 뭐 다 들어가거든요. The traditional way to make japchae takes quite a long time, but my recipe is super simple. 잡채 만드는 전통적인 방법은 좀 시간이 오래 걸리는데요. 제 레시피는 진짜 간단해요. Alright then, let's get started. Before you cook, soak the glass noodles in cold water for an hour and soak the 3-ear mushrooms in warm water for 15 minutes. Slice the meat. This time I'm using the pork neck, but it depends. You can use beef or lamb or no meat, doesn't matter. And let's marinate. Sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, pepper. Just leave it for a while. Now let's make egg strips. A pinch of salt. Whip eggs with your chopstick. Spoon off the foam for the even strips. Heat it up with very low heat. A bit of oil. Wipe with your paper towel gently. After 30 seconds, you pull the eggs, flip it over with your chopstick. People make mistakes, and I do too. Yeah, here comes the messing up part. I know, it was hard. So I just took it out and ate it. It's okay. I need only a little. And pretending to be cool. Turn up the heat right after flipping. Egg strips will be good for color. Slice it. Onion, carrot, oh, I should have used the slicer. Chives, it should be fresh one. Minced garlic. I like this sound. Cut the 3-ear mushrooms into bite size. Slice the shiitake mushroom. Dark brown color is pretty, isn't it? Making seasoning is simple. Minced garlic, sugar, soy sauce, pepper, and water. I recommend you to use dark brown sugar for the color. Pour the seasoned water over high heat. When it's boiling, meat first. Onions and carrots. After 1 minute later, mushrooms and glasanoodles. Turn to the medium heat and mix them well. Keep stirring. After about 7 minutes, put the chives lastly. Wow, how is this so beautiful? Right before you turn off the heat, 1 tablespoon sesame oil and mix them well. Nice. Sesame seed to make the top pretty. Putting the egg strips. Very good for color. Yes, we're done. Can you believe this? From the cutting, it only took about 15 minutes. All the flavors mix well. It's just awesome. Try it. You can be a good cook. See you soon. 또 만나요.